Hello, crafty friends, and welcome back to my channel. Well, can you believe it? We are already heading into the third quarter of the year. That means it's time for another surprise from Your Paper Insider. Today, I'll be unboxing box number 12, and it's packed with fun, colorful, and sparkly papers. Just like the previous editions, this box features a gorgeous selection of hand curated papers, each with its own unique texture and finish. I'll be walking you through every sheet, sharing a closer look and few thoughts on each one. Well, before we get started, I would really appreciate if you could take a moment to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. If you're someone who loves a good surprise, you might want to skip this video because I'm about to reveal all the gorgeous cardstocks inside this box, and trust me, it's a stunning variety you'll definitely want in your collection. That being said, let's dive into all the fun papers included in the box. Each box comes with an information sheet that gives you detail about the papers, including their names and weight. Now, here's a fun little bonus in this box. A surprise item included in this box is a small baggie filled with scented crinkle shreds. It features a blend of blue and white pieces with a light summery scent that adds not only texture but also a lovely sensory element. I love using these to fill gift boxes, line treat bags, or even add a creative touch to any packaging. All the sheets here are sized at 8.5 by 11 inches, making them ideal for creating card bases or even die cutting into beautiful focal elements for your projects. The first sheet that I'm sharing is this stunning silver non-shed glitter paper, which is absolutely packed with sparkle and shine, making it perfect for adding that extra wow factor to any project. Moving on is a sleek, deep black Cadillac sheet. Now, this has a high glossy finish. Just take a look at that shine. And I can already imagine myself using it for bold, eye catching die cut sentiments. Next, we have a 100-pound ultra white smooth cardstock. The smooth finish on this paper is truly exceptional. Your Paper Insider really means it when they say smooth. Honestly, I've never felt cardstock this soft in all of my years of card making. I have worked with this type of cardstock before, and let me tell you, ink blending on it is so effortless. I've used it in the past to die cut small floral elements and blend ink on them, and the results are always smooth and vibrant. Next, we have a beautiful solid color cardstock in a soft gray tone. This is a 120-pound denim mohawk renewal cardstock. Sturdy, heavyweight option that's ideal for creating strong, high quality card bases. Next up is a clear acetate sheet. While I'm not sure if this is heat resistant, it definitely is thick and sturdy. I'll most likely be using this to create shaker windows, but it also feels strong enough to serve as a card base on its own. Now, for something with a bit of shine, we have the aquamarine curious metallic cardstock. Now, this one here is an 80-pound cardstock and has a gorgeous but subtle sheen. As someone who loves incorporating sparkle into my cards, this is a perfect addition to my stash. Both sides of this cardstock have that beautiful shine on it. Up next is one of my absolute favorites from Your Paper Insider. This is the charcoal Thai Unuru paper. Just look at that beautiful feathered texture. It's so delicate and lightweight. In the previous box, we received this paper in white, lavender, and pale blue sheets. So I'm really thrilled to know that we have black version as well. And I'm really happy to add that to my collection. Following that really delicate feather-like paper is this incredibly glittery silver holographic more dots sheet. The sparkle and shine on this one is just breathtaking. It's truly making a bold statement, and I think it would be absolutely perfect to create bold sentiments. Moving away from the neutral tones of white, black, and gray, we now have this gorgeous shade of purple, aubergine purple. Now, this one isn't as heavy as a typical card-based cardstock. Instead, it has more of a handmade feel with a subtle texture that adds character. To complement that lovely purple, there's also this white Thai Unuru paper full of those beautiful natural fibers and rich textures. I'm so excited to use this on a card front. It's going to look absolutely stunning. Here's another dazzling holographic sheet. This one is the 100-pound lavender holographic ponytails cardstock. Just look at that shine. It reflects a beautiful rainbow effect no matter how you tilt it under the light. I'm thinking of using it as a card front panel paired with a simple silhouette floral die cut and a small sentiment strip, letting this stunning pattern paper truly shine as the star of my design. Next, we have a 100-pound royal purple curious skin cardstock. It's a deep, rich purple with a smooth, almost velvety texture, so elegant and luxurious. I absolutely love combining purple with pink, so I'm thinking of using this cardstock to create a lovely floral arrangement with pink and purple die cut flowers. To go along with that, I might use this next sheet, which is almost a fabric like feel to it. It is the white grade watermark crayon paper, and it would work beautifully to create a basket or bouquet style background. It'll pair perfectly with the floral die cuts that I'm planning from the pink and purple cardstocks. Moving into the warmer tones, we have the Mars Star Dream cardstock, another beautifully shimmery piece. It's a rich magenta red shade, something quite unique and not currently in my stash, so I'm really excited to try it out on some upcoming card projects. Take a closer look at that beautiful shine. Isn't that absolutely stunning? Next is a bold, solid colored sheet, the 100-pound rust color plan cardstock. This features a deep, vibrant orange hue that's both warm and striking, perfect for adding a pop of color to fall theme or autumn inspired designs. Next up is this beautiful yellow gold shimmer cardstock, which is called the Amber Star Dream Paper. This weighs 105 pounds and it's quite similar to the yellow cardstock I already have from box number 11. I love that beautiful shine on this one, and it would be perfect for creating flower centers or adding sparkle to small die cut pieces. Following that, we have this gorgeous metallic copper cardstock called Copper Curious Alchemy. Just look at that rich, radiant shine. Doesn't it pair beautifully with that amber star dream paper? I love this combination of brown and yellow and see myself using it on many card projects. Now for something truly unique and exciting, this is the Zenshi paper. I hope I'm saying that correctly. The one I have here features the white and red flowers. Zenshi apparently is a traditional Japanese paper that is usually machine made but designed to mimic the look and feel of a handmade washi paper. It's known for its soft texture and subtle quality, which makes it beautiful addition to any project. Next, we have the gold diamond glitter paper, an absolutely gorgeous cardstock with intricate gold detailing. I remember receiving a similar version in silver in one of the previous boxes, and I was so impressed by it. This is a no shed glitter paper, so you don't have to worry about any mess. It's perfect for adding sparkle to your card fronts without all the fuss. Next up is the wood kagami paper, another beautiful specialty Japanese paper. It features a subtle embossed pattern designed to replicate natural wood grain. I absolutely love the realistic texture it offers, perfect for adding depth, dimension, and touch of organic charm to any project. Next, we have another Thai Unuru paper, this time a vibrant lime green shade that leans towards neon. It's bold, bright, and beautiful and full of texture. I absolutely love this shade. There's something really unique, I feel. Following that is the green with gold petals Yuzenshi paper. This one has a rich, almost wallpaper like feel with a gorgeous gold floral pattern all over it. Honestly, if I had a whole roll of this paper, I would be tempted to use it as an actual wallpaper. Isn't it that beautiful? To continue with the green tones, there is the next paper is the Crocodile Gumon Elzan paper. This one has a faux leather like look, probably that's why the name crocodile. It features a unique subtle texture that sets it apart from typical cardstocks and adds a luxurious touch. Next, we have the 100-pound craft environment raw paper. It's a deeper, richer shade of craft cardstock that I typically have in my stash. I already love this heavyweight cardstocks and they are perfect for sturdy card bases. Usually, I use these craft cardstocks whenever I'm planning for some coffee theme projects, which is something I absolutely love creating. Following that is the chlorophyll yellow Gaumont reaction paper. This one is a vibrant green with an absolutely stunning shine. So eye catching and unique. I love that shine and sparkle on the paper. Well, one side is shiny and sparkly, while the other remains that solid chlorophyll like shade. And finally, last but not least, we have the Salzburg Gaumont Ever paper. It's a very lightweight paper with the softest, most subtle texture. It might not be fully visible on camera, but in person, it's simply beautiful and adds a lovely, delicate touch. So, those were all the papers that were part of the Your Paper Insider box number 12. What an incredible selection of papers, wasn't it? From rich, vibrant solids to luxurious specialty papers and everything in between. This box is truly a treasure trove for any paper crafter. I'm always amazed by the thought and care that goes into curating each of these collections, and box number 12 is no exception. The variety of textures, finishes, colors opens up so many creative possibilities, whether you're into card making, if you like creating tags, mixed media projects, or even experimenting with packaging and decor. Some of my personal favorites from this box include the charcoal Thai Unaru paper, which has such an elegant yet delicate feel, the holographic ponytails cardstock that reflects the most magical rainbow shine, and that beautifully detailed Yuzenshi papers that bring cultural richness to any project. The no shed glitter sheets, faux leather like textures, and the metallic finishes also add a professional touch that's hard to achieve with your regular standard cardstock. If you love working with high quality, unique papers that push your creativity further, this subscription is such a great investment. I'm already brimming with ideas and can't wait to start creating with these beautiful materials. Let me know in the comments which paper caught your eye and how do you plan on using these papers in your own projects. Don't forget to check out the description box below for all the details, including link to subscribe to the Your Paper Insider and if you're interested in receiving these gorgeous curated boxes yourself. I have also included links to some of my previous videos where I've used papers from the earlier boxes so you can get more inspiration for how to use these beautiful materials. Please note that the subscription link is an affiliate link, which means I may earn a small commission if you choose to shop through it at no extra cost to you. It's a great way to support my channel and help me continue bring you crafty content. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing as much as I did. Until next time, stay safe.